Hello my student friend, hope you are doing well. So this is your Notion dashboard, so like Lab HQ. So this is logo and banner, then this is complete dashboard overview, then this is home section, and this is navigation section, quick action section, and this is upcoming task will be shown here, monthly revenue will be shown here, and metrics like client data like total clients, active client will be shown here, content calendar like will be shown here, like task, each month task will be shown here. So if you want to put a quick so here quick action, like you just need to click here new task, new client, new content, like when you click new task, so new page will be created, and here you will put like a task name, then status, type, priority, cost, assigned to client. These are data you can put. So when you click a new page, so related content will be shown here. So let's discuss the navigation section, like these all pages. So if when we open this one client Galaxy page, so in client Galaxy page, so all client will be shown here, like active client, prospective, not status. So when you this is first active client, so you can open this and check out their active status, packages, uh, amount, etc. All requirement here, related content will be shown here, the related task will be shown here, revenue tracker will be shown here. So this is like client section, and when you scroll, so client Kanban will be shown here, like by package client by status here, like by status will be shown here, by package will be shown here. Okay, then if you want to go back, so you just need to click home section. If you want to move next page like content orbit, so you need to click on content orbit, so upcoming post will be shown here. Even you can open this post, then monthly content Kanban will be shown. If you want to check out, this is by status, you can check out by platform, by type, then all content will be shown here, and monthly content will be shown here, all content so here. Then next page is shoot and task. So in shoot and task section, upcoming task will be shown here, monthly Kanban will be shown here by status, by type, by priority, and all shoot task will be shown here, and shoot calendar will be shown here. So next is package and catalog. So here by package it will be shown here, by client will be shown here. Then add on one enhancement, like when you open this one, you can check out like includes, then add new, if you want to add someone, you just need to click here add one. Then last is finance tracker. So by client data will be shown here when you open someone, so their data entries will be shown here in properties view. Then all finances will be shown here, like monthly finance, October 2025, and so more. If you want to go back on the main dashboard, you just need to click the home section button. So upcoming in the main dashboard task, upcoming task will be shown here, monthly revenue will be shown here, and content calendar will be shown here. The most important part is navigation section, so you can check and complete backend like a structure in navigation section. Hope know you can use it, this template. Let me know if you have any further question. Thank you.